Hello there. Easy English Challenge number 16 will focus on singular and plural. Let's get started. The following statements contain incorrect uses of singular and plural forms. Identify and correct the errors in each sentence. The correct sentence is, the two children were playing outside. The correct sentence is, she has many hobbies and loves painting. The correct sentence is, I bought 3 pairs of shoes yesterday. The correct sentence is, the forest was full of deer. The correct sentence is, he has several information for the report. The correct sentence is, there are many different kinds of fish in the ocean. The correct sentence is, the classroom had several desks for the students. The correct sentence is, the park has many benches. The correct sentence is, he found 2 mice in the basement. The correct sentence is, she needs to buy some equipment for her kitchen. The correct sentence is, the museum had a collection of ancient potatoes. The correct sentence is, we took lots of great photos during our vacation. The correct sentence is, the artist displayed her beautiful paintings. The correct sentence is, the library has several new shelves. The correct sentence is, I have 2 pet fish in my aquarium. The correct sentence is, the family had a lot of furniture in their living room. The correct sentence is, she found 5 loaves of bread on the shelf. The correct sentence is, I bought 2 dresses for the party. The correct sentence is, there are many different people in the city. The correct sentence is, the men were working in the field.